So if you're a big phone buff like me, you would be pretty excited about the launch of the Xiaomi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro. Xiaomi is all set to unveil the Redmi Note 5 in India on Feb 14, and ahead of the official launch, the phone spec sheet has made its way online. The leak also suggests that Xiaomi is working on Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is powered by Qualcomm's latest mid-range Snapdragon 636 chipset. It also looks like Redmi Note 5 Pro will have dual camera at the back in a 12MP plus 5MP configuration with a 20MP front camera with LED flash up front. The leak details full specs of Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro, with both phones set up to sport 5.99 inches and 18:9 displays. Based on the specs, it looks like Xiaomi is rebranding the Note 5 Plus as the Redmi Note 5 in India, with the phone featuring the same Snapdragon 625 platform as its processor, along with a 4000 mAh battery and memory configuration of 3GB, 32GB and 4GB and 64GB. It looks like Redmi Note 5 Pro is the more interesting of the two devices, featuring up to a 6GB of RAM and 64 of internal storage. The phone will also come in variants with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage and 4GB of RAM as well as 64GB of storage. Like Redmi Note 5, the Redmi Note 5 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery that charges over a micro USB. Both devices also feature a hybrid SIM slot and fingerprint sensor at the back. The poster suggests both phones will run MIUI 9 on Android N, which means it will be a while before we see an Oreo-based version of MIUI 9. Xiaomi is all set to launch the Mi TV in India on this event, so there's plenty to look forward to.
Are you listening? Damn.